Welcome, dreamers and doers, to a journey that transcends the traditional boundaries of earning a living. In a world where possibilities are as vast as the digital horizon, the concept of making money while you peacefully slumber is no longer a fantasy but a tangible reality. As we step into 2024, the avenues for unlocking passive income have evolved, offering even more innovative and lucrative opportunities. In this video, we're set to explore the cutting-edge strategies that promise not just financial stability but the exhilarating prospect of earning while you embrace the land of dreams. Buckle up as we delve into the top 5 ways to make money online while you sleep in 2024, navigating the ever-evolving landscape of digital entrepreneurship. Number 1. AI-generated content revolution. AI-powered content generation tools are evolving rapidly, and various platforms can help you create articles, videos, and digital assets. With the advent of powerful artificial intelligence, AI, tools like ChatGPT and Canva, content creation is undergoing a transformative shift. AI can now generate various forms of content, including articles, videos, digital assets, website copy, and social media graphics. By leveraging these tools, individuals and businesses can create a continuous stream of income through monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, subscription models, and content sales. Number 2. NFT royalties. NFT royalties are payments that the original creator of an NFT receives whenever the NFT is sold on a secondary marketplace. This mechanism allows creators to continue earning from their work even after they have sold the original NFT. NFT royalties are implemented using smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts that run on the blockchain. When an NFT is sold on a secondary marketplace, the smart contract automatically transfers a portion of the sale proceeds to the original creator. The typical royalty rate for NFTs is between 5% and 10%. However, creators are free to set their own royalty rates, and some may choose to set higher rates for more valuable NFTs. Number 3. Automated social media marketing. Automated social media marketing involves using tools and technologies to streamline and optimize your social media activities, allowing you to maintain a consistent online presence and promote affiliate products without constant manual intervention. Automated social media marketing tools provide numerous benefits for businesses and individuals, including save time and resources, consistency and scalability, content optimization, enhanced engagement, data-driven insights. Several automated social media marketing tools are available to streamline social media management and enhance affiliate marketing efforts. There are some popular options like Hootsuite, Buffer, Sprout Social, Sendable, Tailwind. Number 4. Create and sell online courses. In today's knowledge-driven world, the demand for online courses is soaring, presenting an excellent opportunity for individuals with expertise to share their knowledge and generate passive income. Online courses allow you to package your skills and insights into a structured learning experience, reaching a global audience of eager learners. Numerous user-friendly platforms cater to the creation and marketing of online courses, including Udemy, Teachable, Coursera. The journey of creating and selling online courses involves several key steps like choosing your niche, developing course outline, creating engaging content, recording and editing content, designing and optimizing course materials, pricing your course, setting up your course platform, marketing your course. Number 5. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks have long been a cornerstone of successful investment portfolios. These stocks represent ownership in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a steady stream of passive income. By carefully selecting and investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can generate consistent returns while the underlying companies continue to operate and grow. Not all dividend-paying stocks are created equal. To select suitable dividend-paying stocks, consider the following factors like dividend yield, dividend history, financial strength, industry and economic factors, research and due diligence. In closing, the top 5 ways to make money online while you sleep in 2024 beckon us into a realm of unprecedented opportunities. From the AI-generated content revolution to NFT royalties, automated social media marketing, creating online courses, and investing in dividend-paying stocks, the digital landscape is teeming with potential. As we step into this digital frontier, let these strategies be not just ideas but catalysts for your financial freedom. Embrace your dreams, leverage the tools at your disposal, and embark on your journey to digital prosperity. The future is yours to shape, and the possibilities are limitless.